In this series, we will learn everything about car seats and about child safety in the car. For your child's safety, it is important that the car seat is installed correctly. When installed, the car seat should not be as loose as this. More than 50% of all car seats are to some extent installed incorrectly. As different car seats are installed in different ways, it is important to read the manual for your car seat. With this car seat Axkid ONE, it is simple to just attach the ISOFIX connectors. Tighten the anti-rotation bar, take the support leg down, and do not forget the side impact protection. Car seats without ISOFIX are installed with the car's 3-point belt and using tether straps. Car seats that feature self-adjusting tether straps will ease the installation greatly. Also here, pull the support leg down and put the side impact on. It is important to do the right thing, so get to know your car seat for safe installation.